Hi, my name is Robertson. I'm a second period drafting, and this is my phone holder review. So this was the first one that I designed and created, uh, and uh, when I had someone reviewing it, it didn't amplify sound to its potential. And you couldn't see the screen the whole when it's in there all the way. So what I ended up doing is creating a larger port right there instead of the little hole that it was. I added more space in the back for the sound to go up here, and I cut this chunk out as well. And I extended this length just a little bit so that so that your phone was holding it more, or it was in there more. That's pretty much all the changes I made. It was pretty difficult initially designing it, and until I actually knew exactly what I wanted. But the changes that I've made, they were really simple and easy to do. And here's my drawing. Here's the port that is larger, and the space in between, or the space for the sound is larger. But yeah, but it was, initially it was pretty difficult, but it got easier. It still doesn't amplify enough sound, I think, and I would add and change it a little bit, just because it's a little, it's not enough for me. I'd probably add more space and create a bigger port and actually change the way that it enters the port. But so that's pretty much all I have. It was fun though. It was really fun designing it. So yeah.